Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Rohit Kumar. I am at GD on the topic should social media be controlled by the government. I think that social media should be controlled by the government because the government should pay attention on the censorship, like suppressing the things and suppressing the things like and art and dissenting opinions of others. So that's why the government should take action on this.
I agree with you, and according to me, this is the most important because if the government if the government will not control the social media, like the little students and the underage students use the social media, and in that age they should study with the social media. That's why the government should pay attention on the social media.
Yes, I agree with you. In my opinion, we should control social media should be controlled by the government because we can stop the cyberbullying and online harassment by this method. So I think it's happened in every country.
I agree with you. If the social media is controlled by the government, then we are able to get the right information because when it is controlled, then the government will stop the spreading of false information, and by which we are able to get the right information, and because of it, it also increases our knowledge.
I agree with you. To some extent, the government should not totally control the social media. Many people fake the account in social media, in Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp. Then the send a message boy and blackmail, and in the current time the teaching case come in by the social media.
According to me, I think according to me, India is a government democracy country. If the social media controlled by the government, then the ruling government advertisement our party, not the others. That it is not good for opposition party because democracy don't means that only advertising on the one party.
You are right here because when the ruling party upload their own video, and the ruling government also don't their demerits on the social media, by which we will think that there is no demerits of the ruling party, and we only see the good works of the ruling party, and because of it, our mind will be watched by the social media.
Yes, I agree with you. When social media is controlled by the government, then I think the government should prevent the election interference in the people, and so I think social media should be controlled by the government.
I agree with you, but when the social media is controlled by the government, so the social media also show us that things which is good for the government, which is run, and if the opposition party say anything about the government, so the social media not so, because it is the insult of the government.
In my opinion, that the government should also launch the different social media for the student or children below the 16 years old, because they are unable to, they should not use the social media that every person is using, because sometimes they also upload the bad content, and because of it it can change the mind of the children, and because of it the focus of children from study will be distracted.
Yes, I agree with you. And the many fake information are available in social media. Then the children and youngsters believe this news, and then children and youngsters expect the same news.
According to me, when the social media is controlled by the government, so the government also try to stop that person who make the videos on the running party, they who make the videos on the government, who make the videos on the government where the government is bad, so the government also try to stop that person.
According to me, where the education system is not good and the terrorism is available in that country, and by the social media the terrorism spread so fast, and this is not good for the peoples and other countries economics and these sort of things.
I think sometimes it is not controlled by the government because our personal information data are available in the social media, and sometimes there are many bad employees in the government who can steal our data and also blackmail us, and because of it sometimes it should not be controlled by government.
I think India is a democracy country, and nowadays, if the social media controlled by the government, then the ruling government show virtual image of the India, like if the India is developing country and so on. But if the social media do not controlled by the government, then the most of the people show India problem like unemployment and different type of things. That's why the government should not control by the social media should not control by government.
I
According
think
to me,
the one of the biggest reason behind that the social media should be controlled by government, because if it is not controlled, then there are many bad people who upload the bad content and also do the bad comments, and because of it many children can be distracted by it, and if it is controlled, then the government can resist the bad upload and bad comment.
according to me, social media should not controlled by the government because we can also see in the North Korea, China, and the Russia where the social media is controlled by the government, and we can also see the North Korea people can't put his bird to the government because social media is controlled by the government, and government also stop that people.
You may be right here, because if it is not controlled by the government, then we are able to get the fake news. Like in globally 70% fake news is shared, and in India 80% fake news is shared, and because of it, if it is not controlled by government, then we are able to get the fake news.
According to the fact, there is no country which is democratic like India and USA, where the social media controlled by government. That's why it is not good way to control the social media by the government, and if the social media controlled by the government, then the country is not democratic. That's why it is not good for people to control social media by the government.
Yes, I agree with you, but in my opinion, I think when in the social media there are many type of fake news available, and the one who upload the fake videos to earn the money, I think the company should check that type of video, and after it the company should allow to upload it, and I think that because of it in the social media the good things are available, and because of it our country should be developed.
You are right here, because if we talk about the fake news, then there is 4.8 billion users spread the fake news per year, and when it is about the India, then there is 350 million users who spread the fake news per monthly, and it is a very huge amount, and because of it we are able to get the real news, and because of it our knowledge can be decreased.
I think fake news is a weapon, like because we talk America is also spread the fake news, like the aliens are comes. That's why the fake news is a weapon. The words like some terrorists use spread a fake news for a weapon, like when the Pahalgam attack was happened, then the terrorists want to be spread so much fake news. That's why it is a weapon substance like a fake news.
You are right here, because globally 53% users do not want that social media should be controlled by government, because sometimes government also misuse the social media in such way they spreading their good works in the social media, and hide their demerits and bad works, and because of it 53% of users do not want that social media should be controlled by government.
In
I
this
think-
situation, it's my firm belief that the government should pay attention, protect the harmful content like hated speech, online harassment, and the wrong information. The outcome of this may not be good for the teenagers, including the rumors as well. The rumors are spreading on the social media as well.
Yes, I agree with you. When you talk about the rumors, then globally it is spread 6 times faster than the real news, and it is also 10 times faster than the real news. And because of it, government should do some work by which the rumors should be stopped. Otherwise, the person will be unknowledgeable.